It stands for hands-on, empathy, aromas, relaxation and touch. And it is a beautiful package. You don't have to be a massage therapist to do this training. We have a lot of carers who come and do the training with us because they want to know how they can touch their loved ones in a safe way. And it is just a wonderful course about getting alongside. Therapists will very often feed back how they recognise that less is more and that there is a lot going on when very little appears to be going on. It's about very, very gentle, slow touch. You might wonder, why should I come to the Christie to do this training? I think one of the benefits is that all of our tutors are clinicians. What we're going to share with you is what we use day in, day out with the patients and the carers and the staff here at the Christie.